hope you are having a fantastic day. If you are new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. I'm super sorry, guys. I haven't posted as much in the last couple days, and there is a very good reason for it. No, I did not die. No, I did not get sick. My sister was visiting. I film my life pretty much every single day, but there are instances where you need to turn the camera off and enjoy life off screen. Like taking your sister for a tour around Southern California. I know I've showed this already, but thank you so much, guys, for this 1,000,000 subscribers play button. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna do an updated house tour soon because I got a ton more stuff. Oh, is that patio furniture outside? I think it is. Finally, the house is starting to fill up and look a lot less empty. Maddie! Maddie! Woo! Madison! Hello? Can I come in? Okay. This is my sister Madison. For you OG subscribers, you've seen her before. She drove my Lamborghini once. That was absolutely terrifying. But for you OOG subscribers who have been here for a super long time, you know that I did a video with her where she talked about her drag racing experience. That's right, Maddie's kind of a beast at driving. I'm thinking it's time for you to drive the E63.
Let's go.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, Maddie, you ready?
Yes.
We're gonna take this thing for a little spin. I think I'm gonna drive it to a good location and then you can absolutely have at it. I'm thinking though, because you are good at driving, we can't just do a little reaction video of you driving. I think we're gonna have to do a little competition. So I know a lot of you were complaining about that 0 to 60 time. Well, we're gonna run it back, make sure that the ground's level, and battle me versus my sister, who can get a better 0 to 60 time. Comment down below who you think is gonna win the 0 to 60 battle. Let's rip it. Oh, she's so dirty. No, it rained. It rained. Why did it rain? You like the interior?
It's nice.
It's nice.
Carbon fiber.
So how you been? It's been a while.
It's been a hot minute.
It's been a hot minute. She goes to University of Michigan, followed me out there into the freezing cold. I'm not quite sure why you ended up out there, but
you know.
I don't know.
Oh my God, yeah! The worst part is I knew you were gonna do that because we stopped at the stop sign. I watched you put it into that mode too, and I still didn't expect it. Oh no.
Oh no, what was that noise?
I just went.
What was that?
I don't know.
Yeah, so what's the deal? You used to do Wednesday night drags, which was, so there was a high school division of drag racing where you could bring your own car. What car do you drive?
BMW 330 Ci.
Is it a 2004? Yeah, so a E46 330i, which I remember when she was looking into getting a car, I thought, in this price point, 3 Series E46 is awesome. Do you like it?
I love it.
They do, so it's bracket racing, right? So you run a bunch of test passes, you figure out your time. Let's say, what was your car running? 15.3? 15.1?
In the good old days.
Yes, it was an automatic. So with the older E46s, in my opinion, higher mileage ones, it's much safer to get the manual, but I think, why didn't you get a manual?
You know why? You know, because we were looking for one, but we found this one it was in such good condition for such a good price that we just literally couldn't turn it down.
Yeah, it was cheap.
Because the guy he was the only owner, and
yeah.
He had babied the car. He didn't even want to sell it. He was so upset because he just had a kid and he had to sell the car to get something more practical, and you could see the look on his face. He was horrified that I was about to get the car.
The funniest part is me and Dad went to go pick it up, and when we got the cash from the bank, Dad looks at me and he just goes, so, do we go get Maddie's car or do we just make it rain? So, long story short, E46 330i, you drag race it. It was bracket racing, so you run a bunch of test passes. Let's say you get 15.1 seconds, which because your car was an automatic, it started slipping. The transmission just basically started to kill itself slowly, and then it just got slower and slower.
I think we ended at about a 15.9.
Yeah, and it was totally like low 15s, like a year prior to that.
Yeah.
So you would run a 15.1, right? Over and over and over again. Then you would write like 15.09 on your windshield, and then they would stage you up against another car, and it was all about your reaction time and consistency. If somebody else ran 11s, you would get a 4-second head start over them. So yeah, and you freaking won, like overall, right?
Yeah, you had to win the most consecutive races throughout the entire year, and it was not only the most consecutive races, but you have to win multiple races within a day to actually win the entire thing. So if there were 15 cars in the high school line, then you go head to head each time and you have to beat one person, and then you go against the next person that won, and then the next person until finally there's 2 at the end. And then whoever wins that wins the day.
Gotcha.
And so it's whoever is the end person or the winner of the day for the most Wednesdays of the entire year.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're gonna drag race because apparently she's good at it. You know what? We're gonna try a 0 to 60 launch straight up a hill and see what happens. People complaining I'm going downhill. Let's see what happens when we go straight up a hill. All right. What does she say? Now this is with 2 people in the car. 3.1 up a hill with 2 people and a full tank of gas.
Yeah.
Yeah. 3.1 seconds with 2 people in the car and a full tank of gas up a hill. That's nuts. All right, I'm gonna do one more 0 to 60 test on level ground with both of us in the car, and then I'll let you drive. And yeah, let's see how it goes. We're gonna run this back one more time, once again on a slight uphill, and then I'm gonna let my sister take over. Let's see what she runs. What does it say? 3.1 again? So slight uphill, 2 people in the car, full tank of gas. Once again, 3.1 seconds. I am gonna do an official redo of the 0 to 60 time. Not gonna be today because I have a full tank of gas that adds about 130 pounds. Then I've got my sister in the car as well, but it's gonna happen. Now one more spot, once again, a tiny bit uphill. Let's run it and see what happens.
Oh my God.
What does it say, 3.0? All right, there we go, 3.0. All right, so I got a 3.1, a 3.1, and a 3.0. Now it's your turn. I'm scared.
Me too.
You're scared? You're not supposed to say that? What are you doing? This is a bad idea. Okay, okay. Deep breaths. All right, ready? I'll turn this off and let's do this. So it is a tiny bit scary letting my sister drive this car, only because the last time somebody related to me drove this car, well, actually nobody else has driven this car. Yeah, it was my dad, and he curbed the wheel really bad and gave me a flat tire, which is why I still have 1 winter tire and 1 summer tire, but I have faith.
But I also drove his Lamborghini and it went fine.
It did go fine, so like, we get 50-50, you know, 50-50.
Okay,
all right.
pizza fine.
Okay, what? Why are we Italian now? Okay. No, just drive it around first. Not until I'm ready. Okay, all right, brakes, brakes, brakes. Holy moly. Oh my God, no, no, guys, let us. Holy crap, holy crap. Okay, all right, all right. Oh geez, this is a bad idea. So my sister actually just started a all right. She just started her own YouTube channel. I've got a link in the description below for that. Definitely check it out. What are you posting stuff of? Like just all sorts of
life events.
All sorts of fun life events.
Whatever people tell me to post.
All right, so leave a comment in the comment section below what videos you want to see her make, and check her out on YouTube. Please subscribe. It's my sister. All right, so I think you're comfortable with the car, sort of. I'm not comfortable with you driving the car, but that's another story. No, stop. There's a fire station right there. What are you doing? There's also a, yeah, stop. Stop. Okay, so you are comfortable with the car now. Let's see 0 to 60, what you can do. So this is a Parker versus Maddie head-to-head 0 to 60 test. I'll teach you how to do it. It's super easy, like super easy, and we'll see what happens. And hopefully I don't cry. All right, floor it. Whoa! Oh my God, oh my God! Oh, okay, all right, slow down.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
That wasn't 100% straight, so I don't know.
That was good, 3.1 seconds.
Okay.
3.1 seconds, my sister killing it. Holy crap, good job. Why is this so scary for me? I don't know. I don't know. Drive slow, please.
I feel like you're more scared than when I was driving your Lambo.
I don't know why. Because you didn't really fully floor it in the Lambo versus this, you're like fully flooring it. good. Oh, 3.2 seconds. Ah! 3.2 seconds. You didn't. What happened was you didn't hold down the gas long enough before you let off the brake. It didn't get all the way up to 3,500 RPMs. It took off at like 3,000.
Okay.
All right, you got one more chance. Maybe you can dip into 2.9. Go, go, go. All the way down. There you go, let off the brake. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh, all right, stop, 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 stop. Oh, 3.1 seconds.
Okay.
Heck yeah. That's still awesome, look at you.
Buddy.
Well, good work. That was ridiculous. 0 to 60, 3.1 seconds. You beast. Do you have any tips for the viewers out there?
Always floor it.
Floor it? No, don't floor it. Okay, floor it.
Always floor it, and floor it long enough so that it actually activates launch control. Okay, so I mean, I was genuinely kind of terrified for most of that, but you absolutely freaking nailed it. Good job. Let's head back to the house. Wait, keep vlogging. I want to watch you vlog.
Also, there are some videos.
What about the videos?
I'll be in them.
You are ridiculous. Nice Yeezys though. Who got you those? Oh, did your brother buy you those for Christmas? Christmas. You're welcome.
Merry Chrysler.
Merry Chrysler. Boom. Brothers, do something nice for your sister. Get her Yeezys. They love it. Do you like them? I'm gonna attempt to get in the car in her seating position. Oh! 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 Wow!
Looking good.
That's good.
This is exactly how it should be.
This is proper driving positioning. All right. Well, that was awesome. My sister did a fantastic job. I was pretty damn scared the entire time. I'm not going to lie. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy what you saw, join the family, smash that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on to the right of it so you can stay up to date to the latest and greatest automotive content. I look forward to seeing you next video.